I've been using Bitunix for just over a year now, so today I want to tell you a few of the reasons why I switched over to Bitunix and why I think it's one of the best exchanges right now, especially when it comes to futures trading, which is what I mainly use it for. First of all, Bitunix is a global non-KYC exchange, which means you should be able to use it unrestricted in any country around the world without even needing a VPN. And that's one of the main reasons why I switched over. I used to trade on BitGet, but then they started requiring KYC for all users, which either comes with a lot of restrictions or just makes it impossible to use in certain countries. For example, I'm personally based in the UK where futures trading is banned entirely, meaning that I can't trade futures on any exchange that requires KYC. And I know a lot of other countries have similar problems. Also, in terms of privacy, we always want to be giving our personal info to as few companies as possible. When it comes to on-ramping and off-ramping fiat though, unfortunately, KYC is basically unavoidable. What I personally do to on-ramp is I deposit fiat to Coinbase, which is regulated in the UK, and then send crypto over to Bitunix for trading. You can use whatever on-ramp methods are available in your country and then just send the crypto over to Bitunix and you'll be good to go. Bitunix is also one of the cleanest and most user-friendly platforms that I've used. A lot of exchanges these days try to cram in so many features that most people are never going to use. Bitunix doesn't do that. It just has everything that real traders actually need. Everything's easy to find and it just works, but at the same time, you don't feel like you're missing out on anything. In terms of trading fees, they're very competitive with other major platforms, roughly on par and in some cases even lower than Binance, who are known to have lower fees than the industry average. Also, their VIP levels, unlike some other platforms, don't require you to hold a specific token, it's just based on trading volume. On Binance, for example, to get the VIP discounts you need to be holding tens, in some cases even hundreds of thousands of dollars worth of BNB, which you don't really want to be doing just to save some money on fees. You can also get a further 20% off your trading fees when you sign up to Bitunix using my link in the description or the pinned comment down below, and you'll be supporting the channel at the same time. Bitunix is also a fully funded exchange, meaning your assets are always backed one-to-one. They use what's called a Merkle tree proof of reserve. I'll be totally honest with you, I have no idea what that means, but you can look it up on their website if you want to verify that. Another important thing for any exchange is customer service. Bitunix has 24/7 live chat support available in multiple different languages. I've spoken to them a few times and they've genuinely been really helpful, which is reassuring to know if you do ever have any issues you can actually speak to a human, unlike Coinbase for example. When it comes to leverage trading, Bitunix offers up to 125x leverage. I would never recommend that anyone trade with that much leverage, but the option is there if you want to and you know what you're doing. Last but not least, onto security. As far as I could find, Bitunix has not had any security breaches in the 4 years they've been operating now, so there's not really much to say about that. They have all the modern safety features you'd expect on any decent exchange these days. If any of you are brand new to trading, I'm going to have a full Bitunix tutorial coming out soon. I'll also be doing a load of other videos teaching you guys the basics and some more advanced stuff about trading. In the meantime, if you do want to try out Bitunix, make sure to sign up using my link down below for that 20% lifetime discount on your trading fees. You'll be supporting the channel and supporting yourself trading on an exchange that I and a lot of professional traders trust and use on a daily basis.